Okay, good evening. This is Professor Lily J. De Los Reyes. I would like to discuss for tonight some of the basic drawing instruments when we are making technical drawing. This is just a portable drawing board. Portable. We got a T-square here. The use of the T-square will be something like this. If we got the drawing board, we will be placing the T-square something like this. It's like that. T-square, this angle here is 90 degrees. So when we place it on the drawing board, rest assured that this portion here is a perfect 0 degree and this is a 90 degree. Okay, this is the drawing board, this is the T-square. So when we are making drawings, we could move the T-square up like that or downward like that, and we are rest assured that this is a horizontal line and this is a vertical line. Okay. The next thing I will be discussing will be some other instruments that are being used in drawing. This is a 30 by 60 degree right triangle. This is the 60 degree part, this is the 30 degrees, and this is the 90 degrees. The other right triangle we are using in drawing is the so-called 45 by 45. This is the 45 degree angle, this is the 45, and this is the 90 degrees. This is a template. Template is just comprises of many circles in which if we need a circle thing on the technical drawing, we will just use what will be the correct size on this one. This is a template. The other one we are using is actually the compass. If you try to draw a circle in which the dimension is not in this template, we could use a compass and we could actually adjust the so-called radius or diameter of the circle. The other instrument we are using is actually the protractor. So if we are erecting an angle which is not equivalent to 30 or 45 or 60, we will be using the so-called protractor. This is 0 degree, this is 180, the vertical line is 90. Okay, so you could make any angle measurement from 0 to 180 by using the protractor. I would like to repeat it. It is just something like this. This is the portable drawing board. This is the T-square. The T-square, this portion here is perpendicular with this one. The angle is actually 90 degrees here. So when we put this one here, then we try to draw a vertical line. We just place here. Okay? And rest assured that this line here, if we try to put a marking here, rest assured that this is 90 degrees. Because this is a horizontal line, 0 degree, and this one is 90 degrees. So if we try to put some vertical lines, we will be using this one. You just move this one left or right. Okay. We can also use the 30 degree. It doesn't matter. We could use the 45 by 45 or the 30 by 60 in erecting a vertical line. So it's just the same. You could move left or right. Okay, so these are just the basic drawing instruments when we are making technical drawing. Okay, the number one thing here is the board. The edge of the board should be 90 degrees. So when we place our T-square, rest assured that this is a horizontal line and this should be a vertical line. Okay. So the three most important drawing instruments are actually the what they call this part of the drawing process will be the drawing board, the T-square, the two triangles, okay, the compasses and dividers in which are used to make bigger circles. And if we need smaller circles, we could use a template. Oh, this is just a basic summary of the fundamental instruments when we are making technical drawing. Okay, good evening from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. Reyes. This is a T-square. This is a 90-degree angle. This is horizontal line. This should be vertical line when we place on the drawing board. Good evening from Los Angeles.